Yep.
You ready? Everybody
Sure.
buckled in?
Thank God for 6 piston Brimbos. Damn, it's quick.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
That's brutal acceleration. The nice thing about what we do is we keep everything, you know, to street car level. Like, there's a lot of people that will build race cars, but then when you drive it on the street, it's not any fun.
No,
We like to build stuff that has more power than stock, but drives like stock until you get in it.
You know, I've got a bunch of friends that drive Corvettes, and I've got them scared now. It's a heck of a platform to put this extra power to. Chassis set's good, but with the power, the added power, it's another 2 steps up.
Came here for the horsepower.